isn't sharp to stall. Echoes are rising, voices call. Every corner humming bright, blending stories in the light. Life in motion, weaving through something old becoming new. Hear the murmur, feel the flow, where many paths begin to grow. In the movement, find your place. In the rhythm of the crowded space. Hands exchanging more than gold, sharing moments young and old. Every face a quiet thread, every word a line unsaid. Hidden meanings in the sound, where the beating hearts are found, moving gently through the crowd, where the voices rise unbowed. Hear the murmur, feel the flow, where many paths begin to grow. In the movement, find your place. In the rhythm of the crowded space. Walk the passage, breathe it in.